railway track in the middle of the town, that's what I like. Usual one, isn't it? It is nice, isn't it?
Nice. That's so old fashioned.
Yeah, amazing.
Joe Sugars, whatever that is. Glorious fashion. Wow.
I'll record that one. The town of St Paul's.
Dedicated post office, Walgreens, pharmacy.
Another McDonald's coming up, you're okay?
I'm okay, I'll let you know when I'm not.
Good.
I wouldn't want another drink anyhow.
No.
I don't know what
Jesus.
Hope you get up with a baby show on the ring.
I feel like they borrowed. Wait, I gotta return them, scan up like a barcode. Wait, no hard feelings, but these feelings hard though. Wait, who got the kids in those what all those? Wait, why they can't wear Yeezys with the cargos? Y'all don't make a joke like
Yeah.
I'm thinking.
rocking chairs on the floor.
It is. Amazing little old town. And there literally are tens of thousands of these all across America, aren't there?
Yeah.
People don't realise it. Back in the UK, you just see the big cities and things. Yeah.
They do just normal life out here.
They do.
Right?
Perfectly normal, very nice, relaxed.
Relax, yeah.
It is, isn't it? It's less, it's totally less stressful.
I think so.
I don't know what they do with themselves, but